Hi there, I'm Melissa Haley with Agent Advantage Coaching and Training, and today we have a quick tip and it's all about geographic farming or geofarming. If your goal is to build your business in a specific neighborhood or a little niche, this one is for you. So tip number one, do not rush into it. Take some time to study the market before you choose your geographic area. So things to think about, is there enough turnover in the area? Does another agent already dominate in the area? If so, look at other areas nearby that might be more productive for you and your business. Tip number two, once you choose your geographic area, commit to consistent marketing for a minimum of 1 year. Now, this should include a variety of marketing efforts, and it might include things like, hosting open houses or postcards or maybe social media marketing and, well, gosh, so much more. Now, tip number three, be involved. It is not enough to just do some passive marketing. You got to suit up and show up. Now, what that means is you might need to sponsor like the neighborhood school event or open house or whatever. You might need to treat residents to a fun day at the park. Maybe you should organize a community garage sale, or maybe even partner with like a really super local, hyper local business. And man, if you've watched this far, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Here's your bonus. Contact your favorite local title company and ask them for help to determine that geographic farm area. They usually have some really great resources, and they're happy to help you to determine if your desired area is really a good fit for you or if it's already dominated by someone else. Like, follow, and subscribe to learn more.